Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to expand on the Snapseed application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New, just go to the right bar and tap to the second icon, the pencil. And here you can find the fourth row and click to the second button, the expand. And new, you can use the smart mode, the white or the black function. And if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.